Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to hide apps on iPhone. First of all, tap and hold on your home screen, then click on three dots from the bottom. Now you can untick the page, which will hide the whole page including the apps in it. When you untick any page from here, click on Done. Now the second way to hide the apps is to open up the settings of your phone. Then scroll down in Settings and tap on Sorry Search. Now from here, go to All Apps and click to choose any app you want to hide. Let's get into Facebook and tap to turn off the Show app in Search, Home Screen and Suggest app. It will make your hide disabled from everywhere. Even if you search for it, you won't find it. Now the third way to hide the app is to go back to Settings. Now tap on the Screen Time option. Then from Screen Time, click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. After that, tap on Content Restrictions. Enter the screen passcode if you are already on the security code. Otherwise, go into Content Restrictions and tap on Apps. Then from here, you can set the age restriction. Every app has its own predefined age restrictions. Let's open up the App Store. Here search Facebook and check out its age restriction from here. Then go back and set the age restriction under the predefined age. Then the app will automatically hide. Or you can tap on Don't Allow. Then all of the apps which have age restrictions will be disabled from everywhere. Then you can go back and tap to allow apps, which will bring back all of your apps. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.